Here we are on a website of Tubebuddy. Here will show up to install the extension. I already installed it, so I don't have to do that right now. When you install that, you can connect that to your YouTube channel, and then this will help you to create your tags, description, and your title that will rank higher in search results. Here you can enter your target keyword, Tubebuddy, for example. And from there you can, it will tell you the score, overall score. The higher the better, of course. For example, 2022. This is tutorial. Yeah, and the score is higher. Here they have suggestions what you need to improve in order to rank higher. Then step 2 is adding tags. They have suggested tags here, so you can add that. Score is going higher and higher. Step 3 is adding a thumbnail. They suggested what is good thumbnail, for example, using bright colors, high contrast images, having human face on a thumbnail, the text is large enough, and using fonts, colors, something that will stand out from the other videos. And step 4. If you decide to upgrade your accounts to Pro or Star or Legend, I will give you bonuses. You just need to email me if you upgraded with a receipt, and I will send you. The bonuses are YouTube Authority book. It's a good complementary product. It will teach you how to rank higher in a YouTube search engines. And ClickBank. This book will teach you how to properly do affiliate marketing with ClickBank products. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.